So our clients, just by virtue of the industry we work in, our industry is constantly evolving, as well as the regulatory landscape keeps on changing. So I think that's the biggest challenge our clients are facing right now. It's just how the industry is evolving. Our utilities, traditionally we thought of them as more of a commodity provider. They provide us electricity and natural gas. Now the role is sort of changing in terms of they're becoming more and more a service provider, where they're providing service, and then also in terms of the commodity, it's bidirectional. It used to be unidirectional in terms of them providing us with electricity or natural gas, and then now within the electric industry, customers can own their own generation, so the flow of electricity has become bidirectional, and then as a result, the roles are not as specifically defined, as well as a lot of the industry is constantly changing, as well as the regulatory regimes. Utilities as well as regulators don't want to be the last mover, so they're trying to be proactive in terms of understanding what's going on in the industry, as well as how they can position themselves as the industry changes. At the same time, for them, the struggle is they're more focused, their expertise lies in operating the industry, not necessarily understanding what's happening everywhere else, and that's where I think Concentric comes in terms of how to help them navigate and also educate them in terms of like what has been happening around the country. Actually, we work with utilities in Canada as well as US, so within North America, where the regulation is headed, what other utilities are doing. So that's our bread and butter, because we're already proactive in terms of learning what's been happening around the country, around US and Canada, and then where the industry is headed and how we can help them figure this out, and then that way they can focus on running their utility on the operation side, and we can help them with these other issues.